Okay, so what the heck? Okay, this is a cherry pepper. Somebody has pulled a whole branch of this cherry pepper off really recently. See over here? Yeah, they pulled them out. They pulled them out of the ground, the whole soil block, and ripped off my cherry plant. There's another block pulled out of the ground. My peppers, all of them. Not quite all of them, but oh my goodness. Let's go down here. Yeah, right there. Right there. And over here. What is that? They pulled the blocks out. Something big. I don't know. What the heck is that? This is off of this plant. Wow. Who would do that to my pepper plants?